This penny stock has over 200% increased revenue from year over year, is profitable, has millions of current assets, has only 16.6 million market capitalization, company's CEO has over 50% ownership of their shares and is very active on Twitter. Not to mention that there are very soon going to be another quarter results which are going to push the stock price immensely. Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here with another video, and I hope you enjoy this intro I did, because if you like what you heard and if you like what you saw, I'm sure this company will quite fit in your eye. Today I'm going to be talking about Exxe Group with ticker symbol AXXA, and just to make it clear, here in the section I found out where is this stock available. It's being traded on the OTC markets or Pink, so we can see it's available in Schwab, TD Ameritrade, I would say Fidelity as well, and Interactive Brokers. These are 4 brokers which I recommend for using or trading penny stocks. So yeah, I don't get anything from it, I just know from people in comments that they recommended it to me, so I recommend it to you, you know? Sharing is caring, that's what we do here on this channel. I'll be talking about what this company does, why it is super under radar, and why I think this could be next TSNP move, if not even more. But before I begin, if you like what you see and you like to see more, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit 4,000 subscribers this month, so let's see if we can make it. Smash the like button for YouTube algorithm so this video gets out to as many people as possible. With that being said, let's get into it. This company is not worth even 4 pennies. This is where I look how popular the company is. If people are aware of this company or not, it's a great indicator for me as a content creator to see if people are going to be interested or not. But I'm taking the risk and I'm delivering this one to you, even though there's only 1,000 people aware of this company, which I think is ridiculous, and it's great time for us to get into this early and ride the wave up. If we head into their website, first let's go just through the mission so we know what they're doing. Exxe Group is a diversified corporation focusing on real estate and selected fintech and private equity investments, which are synergistic in nature. Our strategy is to acquire controlling equity interests in undervalued companies and take an action role in them to improve their growth by providing both capital and management expertise. So as we can see, it's another acquisition company similar to Sing. However, this one is well more diversified. They have way more wealth, way more assets, but nobody knows about this company. If we look into their services, what they offer, we can see they have real estate, financing, private equity, sustainability, media and entertainment. I will just go quickly through them so we know what they're offering, so we know what we're dealing with. Here we can have a look at real estate. We can see they have 4 luxury condominiums in Trump Tower in New York. Then they have another luxury condominium. They have a lot of real estate which they are taking care of in Switzerland, even in Germany. It's not only in US, they are actually worldwide, which I forgot to mention. And this is really something you don't see every day. Most of the time the penny stocks are only in US, and if they are worldwide, they're just not profitable or there's something bad with them. But here are any flaws. Their biggest flaw is their website design, but it can be fixed really easily, so I'm not really too worried about it. Here we have a look into their private equity investments or acquisitions. We can see they're in Nexcentrics, which is digital management consultancy. Then we have Aster AI, which is artificial intelligence, and its division of Nexcentrics, so it goes hand with hand. We have Clever Guide AI platform, another artificial intelligence. They are really into artificial intelligence, which is good because it's going to be future. A Clever Guide advisor for Pepper. As we can see, it goes again hand in hand. And if you don't know what or who Pepper is, it's like a robot which helps people in the world. For example, right now during Rona in my country, we have few of those robots in hospitals who greet people and guide them where they should go, what they should do and stuff. You can talk to them, they won't catch the Rona, and it's better than having a human do this job. They're also in some kind of sustainability, media and entertainment, as we can see, but I won't go through there because this really doesn't excite me. However, it is also good to have, but now during Rona, most of these things are just shut down, so I'll move just to current, interesting, juicy stuff. As I said in the intro, You can see that in here in one of their files I found that their CEO owns about 50% of the shares, which is always nice to see. If the CEO owns 50% of the shares, you know, it'll be in his best interest to get the stock price as high as possible, so he, you know, can maybe cash out some gains. Now let's get to some news. So there are news on the OTC market, not in the finance Yahoo, the casual market, but in the OTC there are news. If you have a look on the 6th of November, we can see that Exxe Group issues Bitcoin exchange corporate updates. We can see that they have 1 Mile, which is a UK-based holding for Bitcoin-centered currency exchange services. What they're trying to say in this article is that they're going to become really profitable from it because Bitcoin is on fire and cryptocurrencies is having the best days of its life. And 1 Mile Limited, they own this, I believe, or they at least invested in it, and it's going to generate them a lot of money. Next we have their quarter ending of September 30th, which been published on November 23rd. And as we can quickly read, as in the intro, their revenues surpassed record 7.7 million set in first quarter 2021. So totally they had $8.2 million in the second quarter from their revenues, and it increased 200% from the last year. So overall really good revenues targets, revenues goals, revenues gains. And if we have a look, we can see here in key metrics, I'll just zoom it so we can see it, that their total current assets increased by 400%. That's insane. Revenue increased as well about 200%, and they become profitable, so it's amazing. If you compare it to the previous year when they weren't, now they are. This is like one of a few penny stocks which we can find easily their financials where they show that they are profitable. They weren't, but now they are. They have great increase in revenue, and they can, and then they're saying in this text that they're looking to increase it, I would say about 100%. Not to mention that their market cap is just $16.6 million, and there are over 400 million shares outstanding. So as we can see, it's really small market cap, so it will be really easy to move it. I seriously have to get into this stock this penny stock as soon as possible, because I think it's quite a steal at the current prices. If we head over to their Twitter account, they are very active here, and many penny stock companies are active on Twitter. Just a reminder, if you like to find some due diligence, you can even head into their Twitter and try to find them there. If you scroll down, there are some informations, but what interests us is that AXXA is collecting financials from our subsidiary operations in preparations for third quarter of 2021. So I'm really looking forward to this quarter results, because maybe if I push this video out, more people will get into it, more people will get informed about it, and they will be looking forward to these quarter results as well. And after they will release it, I'm quite sure that they're gonna be way better than previous one, and it will most likely shoot the stock price to the moon. Here, if you click on one of the tweets, you'll get like a lot of information. I won't go through this all because it would be like for 3-4 minutes, but they basically say that they're really moving forward with their subsidiaries. They're going to get a lot of cash from them because it was very successful investment, and it is in virtual reality, augmented reality, and everything what is right now very popular and will be in the next years to come. Where I see this penny stock going? Well, definitely to at least 5 cents this month. I'm very confident with this call because they should most likely have in this month get their third quarter results out, which will most likely move the stock price up. Of course, if there will be some unfortunate events, they didn't beat any previous estimates, it would go down or do nothing, but from their previous quarter results or their Twitter messages or status posts, we can clearly tell that they are really on a great path and that we can expect great results. I'm very surprised that nobody else is talking about this penny stock, but it's only good for me and you if you are following this channel and click on this video, because you get to know about this on the first place and you can invest really early. This company has great potential, and I would say it's very undervalued. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new upcoming videos with picks like these, where you can get the chance to get one of the first positions into this stock or any other. Smash the like button for me so YouTube approves my video and posts it everywhere. It really helps me out as a content creator. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you knew about this company already or you are actually in this. And if you are, let me know your cost basis, or if you are even going to get into this, or if it's too sketchy for you because of their website design. I'm all ears. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.